The secrets. Some are old wives' tales, but hey, it's an old recipe. Eggs. Room temperature. You don't put eggs in the fridge, do you? And not fresh contamination. Make sure everything you use to prepare the base is perfectly clean, especially no grease. Use boiling water to rinse everything first. Metal or glass bowls are best, as plastic is harder to get 100% clean. Also make sure no yolk gets into the egg whites beating. When eggs whites have gone firm, add the sugar a little at a time using a powerful beater machine going flat out. Enzers use their trusty but ancient Kenwood chef, see link. 1. With the glass bowl for 10 minutes until it looks like the Swiss Alps on a sunny day. You should not be able to feel the caster sugar when you squish some mix between your fingers. If they go dull, you have overbeaten. They will still work but will go extra soggy when cooked as the sugar runs out. BTW. Use earmuffs when using your Kenwood chef, I kid you not. Size. Height equals radius, or a little less. A radius of less than 10 centimeters means you won't get pav, just meringue. You can experiment with baking paper rings to hold the mix into a perfect cake shape if fussy. I wouldn't bother though. Problems. Collapse. You opened the oven door. Don't cracking. Normal, don't worry. This is a messy dessert and you'll be covering it with whipped cream soon. Crystallization. Overcooking marshmallow like in middle. Normal, that's what a pav is meant to be like. If it's not like that, you have overcooked it, or you didn't make it thick enough. Foamed egg white is a self-insulator. Once the outside cooks, it stops the heat getting into the middle. Weeping. Too much sugar, overbeating, or not enough cooking. Cook for little longer on humid days if truly stuck. Go on a course http://www.creativetourism.co.nz/workshops_taste_pav.html. See link. 2. This is what they should look like.